welcome back to another video. My Sunday is a fast spent time check. It is 8:24 right now. Let me tell you guys that a baby girl has been napping since 5 p.m. I think she's teething. She's got a little fever going on and all that. She's on to 4 months now, but my baby has slept. I don't know if I should wake her up to shower, because usually before our routine would be like, okay, she would nap like from 4 up to about 5:30, and then she would shower by 7, and then by 7:30 we are in for our nighttime sleep. Like, she's into bed right now sleeping. Right about now should be the time she is in sleeping, forgotten about this world and everything. And while she's doing that, I'm on to other things like making dinner, prepping for the week, because today is Sunday. I do a little bit of clean and reset and all that. But she has been sleeping since 5, so I've been confused. I'm like, maybe she'll wake up, but she is not waking up. I don't know if I should wake her up or not. And so what I decided to do is I went over everything that I was supposed to do. First, I did all the dishes, I cleaned around the kitchen, I also made dinner early. I was like, let me use this time to make dinner since she's sleeping and not waking up, and then enjoy my meal, because I usually love to enjoy my meal when I'm not carrying her, like when she is down, when she's asleep, when she's not fasting, like when she is just out of the picture, and that is when she is sleeping. And so I was like, let me just make dinner, use this time since she is asleep, make dinner, eat, and then maybe by the time she wakes up, I give her all my attention. Guys, I am done eating dinner. I've even done my closing shift in the kitchen because I have no business in the kitchen anymore. Baby girl is still knocked and sleeping. I don't know what I'm going to do. Should I wake her up? Should I just let her sleep through the night? What do I do? I'm so confused right now. But anyway, that aside, you guys, today's sermon, I had online service. Now, let me tell you, the reason as to why I am telling you guys this is because I just cannot stop thinking about the sermon that we had today. The title of the sermon today was The Power of Giving Thanks. In case you want the full sermon, you can actually search it here on YouTube and find it at Fanera Ministries International, The Power of Giving Thanks. You guys, when I tell you that someone spoke to me, that someone talked to me, because I'm in a season in my life where everything is just multiplying. And one thing that stood out to me in the sermon was to learn how to give thanks in the little. In that vulnerable moment when you feel like you should be getting more, it's not enough. Instead of complaining and looking at how little it is, just give thanks, because God does not despise humble beginnings. I mean, what you have today, you did not have yesterday. So instead of looking at what you want tomorrow or for the future, like where you want to be tomorrow, appreciate where you are today first, because you were not here yesterday. Something like that. I've just put it in my own words because that's how I understood it, but the man of God also used different words altogether, so you can go ahead and watch the sermon and also pick a thing or two. When I tell you guys that someone spoke to me, and I've just been in the mood of being grateful for that little, because every time I remember where I came from, every time I remember the moment I prayed to have a child and everything looked like that will not be a baby. Only God and I know where we have been. And so all this to tell you guys to learn how to give thanks in your most vulnerable state, because it is after God hears that thanks that He's going to multiply you and after glorify you. Simple as that. God is very intentional with us in the ways He works, and apart from being very intentional, He has a pattern through which He works. If you are there thinking things are not working for me, it's because of this, it's because of that, sit down in the quiet, in the silence, and learn the patterns of God on your life, because God communicates intentionally with a pattern. Okay, things just don't happen by chance. No. there is a pattern to things, that principles to be followed. You understand? There is the way God does his things, because it's very, very intentional with everything and how everything happens. Yeah, and so just wanted to come on here and share, because I don't want that good news to go without being shared. And I felt like someone actually needed to hear this for themselves, for their family, for their business, for anything concerning them. Anyway, a lot of yapping is going on, but today that is how the day has gone. Meanwhile, my hubby is on his way back home, and since baby is still sleeping, I still have stuff to do. For example, I did laundry. I don't know if you guys can see it over there by her crib. There's a lot of laundry going on. I want to sit down, fix that laundry. Like, I always take time off the week. Like, when I do laundry, I take time off to fold the laundry and then organize it back into her closet there, so everything is easily accessible for me. And this helps with the overstimulation that comes with being a mom. And when the baby is fussy and cranky and you're looking for this and you can't find it, we do not want that. We want to keep our peace. We want to keep our calmness, because those are fruits of the Holy Spirit that we are cultivating in ourselves. And if we have them, our children are definitely going to have them, because they're going to do as they see us do. If I'm overstimulated around my baby, doing this, doing that, unnecessarily, that is how they're going to turn out. But if I'm all calm and collected, being spirit-led, that is how my baby is going to turn out, and that is what I want for them. Anyway, I'm going to sit down, organize this. I don't know if you guys want to watch me organize, but one thing I'm definitely sure of is that I'm going to come back and show you guys how I organize everything and then put it back into the closets. Here is everything all nice and organized. I have arranged them so I can easily put them into her closet. But first things first, I just looked at these and they just want to make me cry. My baby is not this small anymore. I remember this was her first dress that I got her. She wore this when she was 1 month up to about 3 months now. But the way it is so tight in here and super short, I don't think she'll be fitting in this in the next like 1 week or so. It makes me so sad, but like happy at the same time to know that my little girl is not this little anymore. She is growing. So these I'm going to put away into one of the closets down there, plus this slipper and onesie. It was my favorite one on her. Look, you guys, she does not fit in this anymore. Her legs are literally hang out. They'll be like this height when she puts this on, and it's so tight in here and around the diaper area. Makes me so sad. She's not this little anymore. She is growing so fast. I love this onesie because it's white and gray. Those are my favorite colors also, and it says Sweet Dreams Little One. I don't know if the camera is able to capture the words, but it says Sweet Dreams Little One all over. So nice. She doesn't fit this anymore. It is going in the drawer of the clothes that do not fit her anymore. On this side are her bows. I also have a storage for her bows, which is there. I'm going to show you guys shortly. I also did her stockings just like this, so it's easy for me to pick them out. And what I do with the stockings is I stack them together like one. Let me show you guys very well. See, there are two, so I just put one into the other, stack them up like that inside, so it's easy for me to just pick one and then I know the other is in. Yeah, so just arrange these as well. These are the ones she wears throughout the week over here. And then these are her sheets that I lay onto her little mattress down here on her crib. These are the sheets, and then these are the ones she uses to cover herself, because they're two different kinds of sheets and sizes. The other ones fit on the mattress better. That is why I use them as a layoff on the mattress. And then these ones don't fit very well on the mattress, but they fit so well to cover her, so I use these to cover her. These are her booty shorts, or we can call them diaper shorts. I don't know. I just put them over her onesie to cover those diaper lines and to also cover her a little more. And then these are her onesies. These are the ones I mean. So sometimes the diaper is picking through here. I don't like how that looks. So she has those booty shorts to help with that. And then also she has this other kind of onesie that she uses as a sleeper. If you notice, this one has longer arms. My baby does not like to cover herself, so we use the longer onesies for sleepers at night. And also because it's too hot during the day, she just can't wear this. She'll be very fussy and she'll want you to take it off. And basically that's it. Oh, I forgot her swaddle blankets over here. She also has these nice printed swaddle blankets. I usually use these when I'm carrying her outside. And then finally I have her blankets over there. Also on this corner, before I forget, we have her little outfit. This is a two-piece. It's a shirt and trouser. This is how she looks like. Super cute. I keep them together and then I'm just gonna hang them in her closet. And this is a dress that comes with pants as well, just like that. Super nice and super cute. Before I forget, we also have baby's towel over here, also nice and ready to be kept. And just like that, everything is nice and ready to be stored. Meanwhile, I had already set up for baby girl's shower, but she is still asleep. I had already gotten her diaper ready over here. Her outfit for the night also ready. Her after shower essentials also ready, but my girl is still knocked and asleep, so I don't know what I am going to do. So I think I'm going to try and wake her up, but I don't know how that is going to go. I just don't want to wake her up. Also, I think part of the reason as to why she is all tired and knocked is because we had a long week. I have been going back and forth with her. As you guys know, I do not have a nanny yet for the baby, so everywhere I am going, the baby is coming with me. So this week I've had a few errands to run out of the house and a few engagements to be a part of, and so everywhere I have been going, the baby has been coming with me. That means her routine has been distorted a little bit. The times she should be napping during the day, she is out and about, and when she's out and about, she just can't nap when she's in a new environment. And the times she's supposed to be asleep, sometimes we find traffic and get back home very late, and she gets cranky and tired and she just fails to sleep on time. And also because we are still out, she just can't sleep. And so I feel like all that tiredness and build up has just set in right now for her. That is why she is still napping up to now. So what I'm confused about is, should I shower her or I just let her sleep since she is enjoying her sleep? Because I do give her 2 showers, sometimes 3 when it's really very hot. I just pour water on her during the day, but my basic showers that I give her is very early in the morning when she's woken up, and later in the day when she is going to bed in the night. I think the time right now is 9. It's actually 9 right now. So I don't know. Let me just figure this whole situation out and I'll get back to you guys later. So yo, I decided to wake baby up, change her diaper, feed her a little bit so she is not so cranky, and then finally try to put her back to bed. But I'm not so confident that she is going to go back to sleep right now, because as you guys can see, she's got a lot of energy. She is so alert and feeling good, which I love for her. For me, not so good, because I'm actually tired. I want to go to bed. One beauty with me and my baby is that we co-sleep, so I'll carry her to my bed. We shall be there, cuddle, and then I'll put her on the boob and we shall see how the night goes. But as of now, she looks really happy and I love that for her. Mama, are you happy? Oh my, that's a big fart. That's a big fart. Tell mommy, how is it now? I'm going to nurse her now and try to put her back to sleep, which I'm not so confident she's going to be very happy about. But let me try my luck, because as you can see, I am super tired. I'm also going to go in and have a good everything shower so I can get some good rest. And until next time, you guys, thank you so much for always hanging with us. We love you. Bye bye.